One night, close to midnight, we were out in the field with a grand telescope to go stargazing. The professor picked a spectacular spot, the highest point in the Boise foothills, called Table Rock, to set up camp for the next hour. I have no idea if he knew the history of this lover's perch, but I had been there a few times with my boyfriend, and I don't remember looking at the stars. Needless to say, my memories came flooding back, and once again I was taken away by my imagination, where I so often went when more than one or two people gathered in my presence. The students were gazing up at the stars, and I heard, "Wow!" and "Amazing!" and "Huge!" And then I heard, "Beautiful penis." I'm on top of Table Rock with my astronomy class, not my lover, and I swear to God, "Beautiful penis." I am in shock. I can't believe my ears that someone would be so bold as to utter those words in public with Professor Uppity standing 2 feet away. I'm aghast, embarrassed, and thrilled all at the same time. Without a moment's hesitation, I'm hearing the words fly out of my own mouth. "Oh my God, what penis?" Followed by dead silence. One by one, heads turned my way. I saw many looks of shock and disgust on my female classmates' faces. A few males showing amusement and a sideways glance my way. Nobody spoke. And I felt that old familiar feeling that I was socially inept and weird beyond comprehension or forgivability. Slowly, with cold detachment, Professor Uppity spoke. "Actually, that would be Venus we are referring to, Ms. Lynch. Do focus on the task at hand." I was mortified, humiliated, and wondering once again, what is wrong with me? I'm such a dork.